So today I got the lovely job of mixing concrete cement. I don't think that's even what it's called. Today I got the lovely job of mixing high strength concrete mix by Sakrete. Boom! That's the stuff we're doing. We got a couple of table bases. We're going to use them for umbrellas. Put a couple of bolts in there, put some concrete. Here we go. This stuff's really easy to use. Comes in 60-pound bags. I'm going to show you how it's done. It's simple. Water and the concrete mix. What you do, you're going to cut a corner of the bag, or cut the bag any way you'd like. Just get it open. Water in the bucket. Simple. Boom. Just like that. You can come over here. You're going to pick up 60 pounds. You're going to love doing that. You're going to say, I love my job. As much as you can in the bucket, it helps. Gonna get you a mix and drill. Boom, like that. If not, you can go the old school route and get you a piece of wood, shovel, whatever you're gonna mix it with. But for me, I'm using a mixer. That. You know, lift that bad boy up. Try to clean it up. We're going to paint these, so you don't want to have any concrete, maybe you have to sand or grind off, so you want to be dressed up. So finished work, you come in, wet it a little bit with your hand, rub it up, rub off the concrete. You want to do that right away. Make whatever it is you're working on nice, like you don't splash concrete all over the place. Most of us do. Bound to happen when you're doing a little concrete here and there.